For 15 years, KRAIS tube expanders and pipe beveling machines have helped customers worldwide improve productivity and quality of tube expanding. Today, we're proud to remind you of one of our most successful systems, the TES-3000 digital tube expanding system. Since its introduction, TES-3000 has been a success, with hundreds of machines sold worldwide. Built for demanding production environments, it combines precision, speed, and repeatability, while remaining simple to operate and easy to integrate into daily work. TES-3000 is a purely digital servo-controlled tube expanding system powered by a range of efficient and high-performance servo motors. It offers variable speed control and delivers torque repeatability of plus or minus 1%, helping ensure consistent, uniform tube expansion across a wide range of tube diameters and materials. The result is greater efficiency and accuracy, combined with an extremely fast workflow. A major advantage of TES-3000 is its operator-friendly design. The system features an intuitive 7-inch touchscreen, making setup quick and operation straightforward, even in high-throughput production. High-tech servo drive and motor technology support accuracy, high-quality results, and reliable repeatability shift after shift. TES-3000 is built for international teams with supported languages including English, Korean, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Chinese, French, and Polish. For quality tracking and process documentation, log files can be exported via USB flash drive, and the system includes 48 megabytes of internal storage for expanding log files. Software upgrades are also quick and simple using USB flash memory. TES-3000 is CE compliant and in full accordance with RoHS requirements. The motor is equipped with an NDAT encoder supporting precise control and repeatable performance. And for even greater convenience, TES-3000 can be equipped with the optional APLS, automatic pneumatic lubrication system. Controlled directly by the TES-3000 control box, APLS automatically applies a drop of oil to the rolls before the expander is inserted, reducing manual steps and ensuring consistent operation. The TES-3000 supports tube sizes from 1/4 inch to 2 inches, suitable for applications such as oil coolers, air conditioning heat exchangers, oil refinery heat exchangers, and even fin fan air coolers. Operation is possible as a handheld drive with a telescopic shaft or mounted on the flex holder for ergonomic torque reaction-free use. After 15 years and hundreds of installations worldwide, TES-3000 continues to deliver what production teams need most: speed, accuracy, and reliability. Contact KRAIS tube expanders and pipe beveling machines to learn more about TES-3000 and to find the right configuration for your application.